Okay guys, hope you enjoyed that video. If you want more summons, tell me in the comment section below. Even if we get one, then I will be happy. Let's get 1 like and I will do an episode of Dragon Ball Z Dokkan Battle. 1 like is fine, cause maybe 2. 2 would be awesome, cause I'm not that famous, so it feel amazing. So guys, hope you enjoyed that video. If you want more Dragon Ball Z, hit that like button. I will see you all later. Wait, guys, I need to say something. If you talk, I will talk to you in the comment section down below. Just ask me a question or something, and I will answer. I try to answer as many comments as I can. So I guess I'll see you all later. Bye.